Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing a Spinosaurus in a fun and charming retro cartoon style. Still fierce, but surprisingly friendly. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's bring this iconic dinosaur to life in our unique, vintage-inspired look. Let's begin with the eyes, giving them that big, expressive retro shape, round, lively, and full of personality. And if any part feels tricky or moves too fast, don't worry. Just pause the video anytime and take it step by step. Now draw the snout, keeping it long and curved with those classic cartoon proportions. Add the nostrils, placing them near the top of the snout, small and simple to keep the style clean. Next comes the mouth, opening wide with that energetic, almost playful roar. Let's sketch the teeth and tongue, sharp but cartoon-friendly, with the tongue curving inside the mouth to add depth. The Spinosaurus is believed to be one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs ever discovered, even longer than the famous T-Rex. Unlike most big predators, it likely spent a lot of time in the water, using its long snout to catch fish. Now shape the head, keeping it long and slightly angular, but still soft enough to stay within the retro aesthetic. Draw the neck, making it curved and flexible, connecting smoothly into the body. Let's build the torso, wide in the middle with a rounded belly, keeping everything balanced and stylized. Now sketch the front limbs, small but expressive, each ending in strong claws that feel powerful without losing the cartoon vibe. The Spinosaurus had conical teeth, perfect for gripping slippery prey like fish and crocodile-like animals. Paleontologists believe it had strong paddle-like legs, which may have helped it swim. Its long, narrow skull looks very similar to a modern crocodile's, suggesting similar hunting behaviors. Its huge sail may have been used for display, temperature control, or even to help it look larger to other creatures. Next, add the tail, long and sweeping forward with a smooth, elegant curve. Move on to the legs, larger and muscular, finishing with big curved claws that give the Spinosaurus a bold stance. The Spinosaurus lived during the Cretaceous period, around 100 million years ago. It was first discovered in Egypt, although the original fossils were unfortunately destroyed during World War II. Many dinosaurs had feathers or vibrant colors, and some scientists believe even large species might have had colorful patterns. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to support the channel and check out our playlist full of other dinosaur tutorials. Just click the card in the upper corner. The dinosaur world was extremely diverse. Flying pterosaurs, ocean giants, herbivores, and apex predators all lived during overlapping eras. And tell me, which dinosaur should we draw next? Add the front stripes along the neck and belly, those lighter cream-toned areas that define the sensitive underside of the dinosaur. Let's draw the sail, giving it that tall, iconic Spinosaurus shape. Large, rounded, and flowing like a soft fabric. Now place the circular body spots, spreading them across the limbs and back to bring more texture and personality. For colors, here are the main tones used: dark aqua green for the body, light minty green for the spots, pinkish purple for the sail, and cream for the snout, neck, and belly. But remember, feel free to color your Spinosaurus however you like. This is your moment to get creative. And here's our Spinosaurus, bold, retro, and full of charm in this classic cartoon style. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.